Got a new one for you. Customer states when I turn the ignition on. Why is only part of my dash lighting up? This side lights up real bright. The center of that lights up, but none of the miles per hour is as bright as the rest of it. Well, unfortunately, it's the only way that I'm going to be able to get numbers off of that, according to parts, is I'm going to have to pull it out, pull the engineering numbers off the back, and then they're going to have to cross everything over and order the guy a new cluster. Let's pull it out. It's going to seem kind of aggressive, but I've done a lot of interior work. I've made a lot of money off interior work because a lot of techs are scared. You cannot be soft and you cannot be too aggressive. You just got to grab it and go. So that part pops off right there in the center, just like so. Back forward, out of the way, just like so. And then, to get up in here, you're going to have to start unsnapping this down here. And then you got to unsnap this over here. And you got a couple screws down here. You got a, what is that, a 7 mil? And another 7 mil right there. So I went ahead and just folded this down the rest of the way. When you go to put it back down, put it back on there, you'll have to pull up to align the tabs because they're on an angle down there. Those little white tabs right here. So be careful. This popped off. This has got to come forward. And this bezel slides out all the way around. Now you've exposed the inside. 7 mil here, 7 mil here, 7 mil back here in this corner, 7 mil right here in this corner. Now I've got all 4 7 mils out. I'm going to go ahead and grab the top of this cluster, just nice and easy. Don't try to force it, and then you'll have to reach back behind here. You'll have to actually unplug this. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the key off before I get any further. Have to pull the steering wheel down as far as you can. And then you'll reach back here and unplug your connectors. There, that one came out. Now it's out. That's how you remove the cluster. Now, let's look in the back of this and see what we got going on here. Part numbers you're going to need, or the part number you're going to need for the cluster if you have to order a new one. If the LED strip goes out like on this one, you can't fix it. You have to replace it. It's got to be programmed and ordered through an electronics company, through the parts department. JL3Z10849CXC. And it's about a $600 cluster, up to $800 depending on demand, where you order it, how much the markup is. Again, JL3Z10849CXC. Y'all be blessed.